Hi to everyone. I am Dr.S.P.SARANYA, Assistant Professor in the Department of Commerce with Computer Application, working at Dr. SNSRCAS College of Arts and Science. Today, the session um, we are going to see about the Python functions. So first, initially, we have to know about the what is function. So a function is a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. So that means it have a many reusable code and it performs this or one of the particular task. So functions allow you to organize your code into a manageable pieces. That's like it's easier to read and understand and maintain. So here is an explanation of some key concepts related to the Python functions. So a function can pass the data, it's called a parameters into a function. A function can return the data as a result. And then a function is defined using the keyword of a def, and a keyword followed by the function's name and parentheses, it's containing any parameters the function accepts. The body of the function is intended the definitions. So the parameter or arguments are the value that are passed to a function when it's called. So function can accept zero or more parameters. So these parameters can be used within the function to perform the operations. So it can easily return the value by using the return keyword. So this value can be of any data type, including integers, floats, strings, lists, dictionaries, or even other functions. So these parameters can be used the functions to perform the operations. And then to execute a functions, calling a function by using a call it by using its name followed by a parenthesis, it contains any required arguments. When a function is called, when a function is a call, the code inside the function is body is executed. So the for example, we have to declare def and my function, so we can print the result as a hello from a function. So this is the coding, and then what we can print the result means that user can input the functions. So that is the hello from a function as a input, and we have to both get output as the hello from a function. So in this way, we now bit serious, and the purpose of the functions is the arguments, and then the return the value and expression that could be raised. So the function name and purpose of the function does the numbers and the return value, and even possible exception that can be raised. So another example of function calling is already I told, we call a function by using its name. It's followed by a parenthesis. So it's contain hello from a function where we have to declare it within the double quotes in the within parenthesis. So its name followed by the parenthesis, it contains the basic example. Another example I have to here I examine. So we have to def grade name, the print hello and within double quotes plus name. So it's calling the grade function, and with the arguments and the name we have to declare for example allies. So we have to give grade allies. So uh, the specific programming language, the specific function that already focused, and we have to simply close the Python interpreter or stop the execution of the script. You have to working environment like IDLE or Jupyter notebook that close the program and the specific notebook you are working in. So that programming language environments that typically just exit or close the program or application we have to working with. And finally, I hope this session is very useful to everyone, and thank you very much.